Rainforests can be found in many different places spread around the world, mainly near the equator, which is why they are so warm. The biggest rainforest is the Amazon, found in mainly Brazil and a bit of Venezuela. And there are a few rainforests in Mexico and the Caribbean islands. There are rainforests in Madagascar, northern Africa, and near in India, a bit south of Mongolia, and Southeast Asia. Few rainforests have also been found in northern Australia. Rainforests are very warm and moist, and they can be very humid, with a low of about 60%. The plants and animals, the main predators are jaguar, caiman, harpy eagle, and snakes such as anacondas and emerald tree boas. They mainly hunt capybara, which is the world's largest rodent, spider monkey, macaws, and the plants have evolved in many different unique ways to compete for sunlight, because if a plant doesn't get enough sunlight, it will eventually die off. So they need to compete, and some ferns, creepers, moss, and lichen have resorted to climbing other trees. There are also a few animals, mainly prey, who have evolved to camouflage to stay away from predators, such as the leaf-tailed gecko, the children's stick insect, and the ghost mantis. One of the fun facts is the jaguar has the largest bite force of any mammal, and the average bite force of a fully grown male jaguar is about 1,350 pounds per square inch. Having this bite force, sometimes jaguars hunt crocodiles. And also having that bite force, if you were to stand up like this, and if a jaguar's mouth was able to fit a whole human body, it would still crush you. Rainforest has over 4,000 species of different trees, some over 50 meters tall, and over 500 species of chattering birds. And though less than 10% of the Earth's whole surface is a rainforest, more than 30% of life is found there. In the past 50 years, 14% of the Earth's land surface used to be covered in rainforest, but now only 6% is a rainforest. In the past 50 years, humans have wiped out half of the world's rainforest, and the rate of destruction is increasing. Thank you.